The almost crushed PB&J sandwich. I got smushed just a little bit, but I think I saved it.
Why the hell did you bother to save it? I mean, I don't think you're going to have any goddamn friends anymore. You invite them for a picnic and cloud watching, and all you've got is a PB&J sandwich. I mean, I don't think I want to be your friend, but don't worry. Don't worry. I am here to help you, ASMR darling, learn how to make a real sandwich. Okay, so what we've got is a little sandwich perfect for your next picnic cloud watching adventure. And you want to start off with some lovely honey smoked turkey. Then you want a little old slice of Gouda cheese. Because what is a sandwich without cheese? It is nothing. It's garbage. Oh, and at some point you want to turn the oven on to about 400 degrees or so. Finally, you want to add some nice slices of ham. This is a honey ham I picked up at my local deli. And then you want to add some provolone cheese and some pepper jack cheese, and you want to bake this in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, or until the cheese is gooey and melty and wonderful. On the top half of the Kaiser roll, after it was toasted, I added some mayonnaise and mustard, but of course I forgot to turn on the goddamn camera. After your sandwich has been toasted up and assembled, don't forget to wrap them in tinfoil, grab some chips, and now, ASMR darling, you're ready for you and your friend to go cloud watching and have a picnic.